Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am Ria, and I'm honestly so happy that you are here with us today. It really means a lot that you take out your time to learn something new with us. Whether you are a beginner or someone who already knows a little English, this channel is for you. Here, we learn English in the easiest and most fun way possible.
And I am Shiv. Welcome back, guys. We are really excited to see you again. Every time you come back to our channel, it motivates us to create better and more helpful content for you. Our goal is very simple. We want to make your English learning journey easy, clear, and enjoyable.
Yes, and in today's video, we are going to learn something very basic but very powerful. Many people think English is difficult. But the truth is, if your basics are clear, everything becomes easy. So today, we will focus on one of the most important parts of English grammar.
Exactly. Today, we are going to learn present indefinite tense, one of the most commonly used tenses in English. You might not realize it, but we use this tense in our daily life all the time when we talk about our habits, routines, and general truths.
Right. For example, when you say, I wake up early or I drink tea, you are already using this tense. So imagine you are already using it. You just need to understand it properly.
And don't worry, we will not make it complicated. We will explain everything step by step in a very simple way so that you can understand and use it confidently.
Absolutely. Even if you make mistakes, it's completely okay. Mistakes are a part of learning. The important thing is that you keep trying and never give up.
So stay with us till the end of this video. Because we promise, by the end, you will understand present indefinite tense in a very easy and clear way.
And you will be able to make your own sentences confidently.
So without wasting any more time.
Let's start learning.
So now, let's understand present indefinite tense in a very simple and clear way. This tense is mainly used to talk about things that happen regularly, like your daily routine, your habits, or things that are always true.
Yes. For example, when you say, I wake up at 7 or I go to school, you are talking about something that happens every day. These are your daily actions, and that's why we use present indefinite tense.
Exactly. And not just daily routine, we also use it for habits. Like, I drink tea every morning or she reads books. These are things that happen again and again.
And we also use it for universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east or water boils at 100 degrees. These things are always true, so we use this tense.
Now let's look at the structure. Subject plus base verb की first form. For example, I play, you read, we eat. It's very simple.
But here comes a very important rule. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb.
Yes. For example, he plays, she sings, it runs. This is where many students make mistakes, so you need to be careful.
Now let's move to negative sentences. When we want to say something does not happen, we use do not or does not with the base verb.
For example, I do not like coffee and she does not go to school.
And remember this important point after does. We never add s to the verb.
Now let's talk about questions. It's very simple. We just start the sentence with do or does.
For example, do you play cricket or does she sing?
See? It's not difficult at all. You just need to understand the pattern and practice it daily.
And once you start practicing, you will notice that you can talk about your daily life easily in English.
So don't skip practice. Try to make your own sentences every day.
Because practice makes you perfect.
So guys, we hope now present indefinite tense is clear to you and you feel more confident while using it.
Yes. And remember, learning English is not about memorizing rules. It's about practicing daily and using it in your real life.
Start with small sentences, speak every day, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Because every mistake is a step closer to fluency.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And comment below. I will practice daily. So we know you are serious about learning English.
We will see you in the next video with another easy and interesting topic.
Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for watching my